try to shift down with it. Let's see, what's the shift pattern? Is it all down? Is oh, crap. And then also some just normal oil. Get that going in there. Brake is gone on this one. Huh. Look at that. It's got the cruise control. It's cool. Check out the horns. That's funny. So looking it over, looks pretty complete. I think we're gonna start with this one. And if we need parts, we'll rob it out the other one to make one complete one. But this one looks pretty dang complete.